Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and we are weekend ready, huh? Wrapping it up for a long week, working on all kinds of projects. We've got our CEE Southeastern European Real Estate Awards that's coming along very well. We're going to have that the 31st of March in Romania at the Radisson Blue Hotel. We've got lots of sponsors, lots of great jury members, some old, some new. Great to have some on, a lot of retailers as well joining us. So have a look. We are also got a little advertisement, video advertisement for that. But if you're doing anything in Central Eastern Europe, Romania, Bulgaria, Serbia, those are kind of the main three countries down there. Anything down there, let us know. We want to get any nominations on any projects, your company. We want you to get y'all involved because now is the time to be moving on that region anyway. It just seems to be growing super fast and exploding in some areas. We got the logistics, the offices, and some new nominations or some new categories. There are BPO, shared services, and tech. So we'll have a lot of companies down there from taking a lot of office space, and they're always looking for new offices, and they seem to always continuously be expanding now. So it'll be great to have them. Also, MIPIM coming up. We've seen the magazines coming along quite well, huh? A lot of advertising.
A lot of clients involved, which is nice to see.
A lot of clients. I think after 2 years of not really on just online MIPIMs or a year of online MIPIM mapping, great to be going.
Bodes well for MIPIM, doesn't it?
Yeah, MIPIM full pre-pandemic people size coming down. So. Very exciting with that. We've got we're the international media partner again for MIPIM. We've got extensive distribution down there of our magazines. So again, if you're looking to reach the people that are coming to MIPIM, let us know. We would definitely like to get you on our magazines for that. And the deadline date's coming up. 2 weeks, yeah? 2 weeks, I think.
Towards the end of February.
So to end of February, so let us know right away. We definitely don't want you to miss this edition. What else do we got working on? That's the main things, I think. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So you mentioned the CEE Awards, yeah?
I did mention the CEE Award. Yeah, I mentioned them a lot. Yeah, I talked about the jury and sponsors and all kinds of good things. So got those in. A lot going on. We're glad it's the weekend. We're definitely weekend ready. Winston's got his dog here. You can't see it, but it's a very nice dog. We'll take a little break. We'll come back in 20 seconds with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. And with the exciting news that's on EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 17th Annual Europa Property Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SCE Forum, held March 31st at the SAS Radisson Blue in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important in the region. The deadline for nominations is February 24th, and with seating limited and the Radisson Ballroom quickly filling up, now is the time to reserve your sponsorship package or corporate table. So welcome back, Winston. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show.
All right, Craig, how are you doing today?
Yeah, good. I also forgot to mention, Saturday, tomorrow, we're going to go to the coffee festival to find a new brand or find a new brand coffee that will be our partner for the next year in Coffee with Craig.
That's an excellent idea.
So hopefully soon we'll have brand new brands, brand new cups, and an exciting opportunity. I think
new coffee to drink.
I think new coffee, and I think an exciting opportunity for any coffee brand that wants to get into office buildings. Yeah.
For sure.
We'll see. Yeah, hopefully we'll see how it goes. Anyway, we'll see you if you're going to be at the coffee festival in Warsaw tomorrow. Hopefully we'll run into each other. Shoot me a message. We'll definitely be happy to meet up and have a coffee there. So Coffee with Craig festival tomorrow.
Bit of news now, maybe.
Let's jump into the news. Yeah,
a bit of news with your coffee.
Yeah, let's get some news with the coffee.
And we'll start today in Warsaw, Poland, where PATRIZIA has sold a portfolio of Warsaw offices. There's 3 buildings with with a total office space around 15,500 square meters, and they've been sold to the VIG Fund insurance group. And Yeah, it's Norway House, Chmielna 25 and Nowogrodzka 21, and they're all located in Warsaw's central business districts. And one of them is, it's been a successful 10 years for Patricia, and they've kind of rejigged the buildings with their tenants. They've got new tenants there. And one of them houses Sinsay's flagship store in the centre of Poland, centre of Warsaw. So that's very nice. It's got a lovely storefront there. I've been there.
Award-winning retailer.
Award-winning retailer, Craig. Yeah. Moving on and staying in the investment market. And
that was VIG, right? We need to invite them to our investment awards.
You need to invite them to investment awards, yeah. Okay. And BNP Paribas Real Estate have announced that 2021 was a very big year for investment in Poland. There was around 5.7 billion euros invested. And an interesting fact was in the last quarter alone, 2.2 billion euros was invested. So really, really busy last quarter. That's an awful lot. And no big surprises, but these deals were mostly related to the logistics and industrial sector, and they made up for the lagging retail and kind of uncertainty in the office market as well.
Right. Well, there was a few deals in retail as well, yeah.
The retail parks. They've kind of increased the amount of that's been invested in them, and offices mainly. There were a lot of office deals last year, but they were mainly in Warsaw,
right?
And like the Metropolitan Building and Generation Y, and these things, big, nice Class A buildings,
right?
And BNP state that 2022 will be. They expect it to be similar. But it's still a lot of uncertainty on the market, and so there will be decisions are not so clear. So it's going to be a cautious 2022.
Right. Okay. Let's be cautious.
And moving to Romania and staying in the investment market, and Revitas Capital has sold the Vitanis shopping centre in Bucharest.
Oh, okay.
And they sold it to Practica. And this is a centre that they acquired a few years back, and they completely transformed it. And it's 38,000 square meters there. And now it's a very successful power centre operating in the north of Bucharest.
So a refurbishment potential.
A refurbishment which has been sold on, and I would imagine all parties are pretty happy with that.
Great.
Moving back to Poland and moving to the logistics industry, and Panattoni is beginning construction on an 8,700 square meter logistics centre for InPost. This is going to be developed in their Central European Logistics Hub, which is near Łódź.
Okay.
And the Central European Hub eventually will consist of 720,000 square meters of logistics space. So it's going to be a massive development out there.
And now it's 8,000?
No, this is 8,700 for InPost, which is, Panattoni has completed around 100,000 square meters for InPost today. But no, the logistics hub will be 720,000 square meters eventually when it's fully built out.
Wow, massive.
Yeah, massive. And staying in the logistics industry and moving to Upper Silesia, where 7R has expanded its portfolio there, and it's developing another two developments around 59,000 square meters in Mysłowice. And the first one is set to be completed in July 2022. It's a very attractive area, Upper Silesia, in the warehouse industry, because it's very close to Slovakia and the Czech Republic.
Right. And 7R is doing a lot, of course.
Yep. And finally, for today, Cushman & Wakefield is expanding its sustainability services, and they've appointed Teresa Jelinkova. She's going to be the coordinator of the sustainability services, and they're going to expand their ESG services. That's very important these days. And the company will aims to mitigate all the challenges arising from this ESG issues that are very prominent in today's market.
Right. Well, a lot of issues there, but good for the whole environment and the way to do business, right?
That's right.
So that's great. Yeah, we have a lot of ES in our conference and SCE awards. Everything's about ESG. They're somehow related, or ESG focus. So thank you all for joining us today on the Coffee with Craig show. Have a safe and happy weekend, and we will see you on Monday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.